This is your paid membership. This is why you're paying for this membership. I have tips and tricks, and I'm going to go and explain to you how to drop ship with Shopify. Number one, look at my previous videos. I have some free videos in there that you can search to get started with Shopify, how to create a Shopify account. Now I'm going into the details what you're paying this membership for. Number one, we're going to talk about DSers drop shipping. There are key things that you want to look for. When we go to a product, the key thing is we want to research a product, make sure they have good reviews. We want to make sure that the product is at a good price. We want it between $1 to $2. You have to keep in mind that you need to keep the price percentage off, so you make about 80% profit margins, 75, 50 if you want to be generous, and you want to make sure that whatever this amount is, you need to say, okay, $2. We're going to multiply that by a certain amount to get a profits. And then on top of that, you want to incorporate shipping prices in there. I'll create another video going into detail about that. But we search our iPhone case. We find a case that we want AliExpress. We copy this link over. We go into DSers. There's already a documentation video on how to import and connect to DSers. We add our link here. When we click OK, our link will be populated down to the bottom. Now, there's key things that I want you to know about. This is what you're paying me for. You're paying the membership for this reason why. AliExpress can take up to 10 to 20 days to ship products. Now, the solution for this, I had someone reach out to me to figure out how they could get around the shipping solution. You would have to order products in bulk. What you would do is you go to AliExpress, you pick the product, and you would order all of those items depending on your budget, if you know if it's a top seller. And you can tell if it's a top seller by basically searching USA cases. And then you filter by orders, and you can see these ones are selling. But ideally, you have 4,000 sold. This is a top seller. When reviewing this product, you can see that the product has reviews. There are 500 reviews, and then the price range, you can know basically kind of overview of what you're doing. You want to check out the reviews and see how they look. So, this is a top seller. This is selling another product. So we're going to drop ship this item. Now, once we drop ship the item, we select it. We import it into Dozer. I'm going to do this example. We take our link and import it. What we're going to want to do, this is just to tie it to our site. There's another document video you can show how we can connect this product video into our site. What we want to do is now we choose to do our product search, and we're going to import this site. What we're going to want to do is order this amount in bulk. You want to order the most common sold sizes in bulk. So whenever you get them, you can directly drop ship them to eliminate shipping times. So shipping times on here, if you can look, it says tracking is available. It's going to ship between March 8th and 17th. So if somebody orders it today, it'll be delivered by March 8th. Shipping time is usually 10 days. But if you order this item in bulk and store it in your store and you do the shipping, then you can ship out faster using FedEx and charge more for expedited shipping rate. The expedited shipping rate is covering the cost of what you're shipping it for. Then you can ship your items faster worldwide, internationally. USPS, it might take 3 to 5, 7 business days, but you'll have that tracking link if you ship directly. You order your products, your cases, whatever you're selling in bulk, and then you ship it directly. Once you get to an advanced level, you can even do order fulfillment with Amazon. I will make a video on that in the future. I'm currently not doing Amazon bulk fulfillment order, but that's the fastest way for someone to get your products 24 to 48 hours using Amazon fulfillment with your store. This is just using AliExpress. The other way that you can get around this is if you pay for expedited shipping. You can pay more for expedited shipping on each of your orders to get faster tracking. If you do not get a tracking code for your dropshipping item, it can get lost. It can take up to 30 days for your customers to see that item. So you always want to purchase the tracking available and then check the location to see where they're shipping from. Let's see, iPhone cases. You can click shipping from the United States. If you're in another country, you can see all the iPhone cases and import them from your store that are only shipping to the United States, so you can supply those items to your US based customers. This is how you get around. You want to pay attention to where it ships from. You want to pay attention from what country you're in, and then you want to order in bulk to try to fulfill your orders faster for your customers. And you always want to pay for a tracking number so you can track that order. And also what I do on here, tracking, I use Parcel's app for tracking, but you can also get the tracking number and tracking status with DSers. And you have to pay for that. And you can create a tracking page for your customers, so you can know where you get the items, which I'll probably do. I'll create another tutorial for that. Right now, if you upgrade to the tracking plan, you're gonna have to pay 20 to 50 bucks a month to upgrade to get that tracking feature, so you have that availability. This is how you can increase engagement and customer satisfaction by making sure your customers get their orders within the amount of time, less than 7 business days, to have customer satisfaction. If not, you can always send a notification to your email saying your shipping is on the way and here's your tracking number, and then they can always look for themselves once they send a tracking number, where you could do that with order fulfillment. By adding tracking fulfillment numbers in the comments, and you can send a notification when you fulfill that tracking number that it's on the way. The other thing I want to show you in here is if we go to our products, we can import with, let's see here, we can import reviews. Let me make sure I have it up already. I don't have it up. Now I have products in here with a review section. This is another feature that you can have with the Loom app. I have a review section on here that's a placeholder that I've added onto my default template that allows me to do Loox Reviews. Loox Reviews has a feature for customer engagement to add reviews for purchase, loyalty, fulfillment, looking like people purchase products on your store, but you want to enable these reviews so it looks like people have purchased the product, they're satisfied with the product. And then you can also give a discount, which is give 5, get more. This allows customers to create a discount link to share on the social media to give a $5 discount, to receive a $5 discount, working with the Loox Reviews app. I highly recommend using this app. This is how you create social media, I guess, people to share and refer your service, so they get something out of it, and they also get a discount and money for sharing their discount link. And then also shows that your shop is getting reviews and the product is worth buying. They can actually reviews, because the reviews actually sell your product, not this data right here. All this data right here does not sell your product. The reviews do. So if I go to my store, let's find one. If you want to get this Dragon Ball Z case, you could say, I'm thinking about getting it. But what's basically going to sell this product more, or is once they receive the product, they want to know how it looks when they receive it. So we have these reviews. This is all customer satisfaction, that people have proof of purchase, that they purchased the product. This is the same product they're getting, that it's not something crazy. And that's why you want to use the Reviews app. That Loox Reviews is another app that will allow you to make money on your store. And then there's another feature where you can show current user engagement on your store. These are tips that you can use to increase sales and conversions on your site, to create loyalty and proof of customer satisfaction, that they will receive their order and their order will be fulfilled, that you're not a scam store. Thank you for your time, and I hope this tutorial helps you very, very much. Have a wonderful day.